Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys phone button navigation setting and gesture settings remove setting. How to remove gesture navigation in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to remove phone gesture navigation setting. So how to remove gesture navigation setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, open your phone setting. After on guys phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone system setting. After on guys phone system setting friends, you can use phone language setting, date and time setting, backup setting, reset option setting. So friends, click here system navigation setting, and friends you can use phone gesture navigation setting and three button navigation setting. So friends, you want to remove phone gesture settings. So friends, click here three button navigation, and friends you can use three button navigation setting, and gesture settings will remove. You cannot use gesture setting from right side, left side, back button you cannot use. Friends, you have three button navigation. You can use back button, you can use your home button, and you can use your close app button. You can check close app, also friends recent app, and you can close your recent app. So like that friends, we can remove gesture settings and we can set three button navigation in Infinix mobile. And friends, again you want to use gesture settings, open your phone system setting, system navigation, and friends click here gesture navigation setting, and friends now you can use gesture navigation setting. Three button navigation will remove. You can use back button, right side and left side. So friends, I don't want to use gesture navigation setting. I want to use three button navigation. So friends, I will on three button navigation setting. Gesture settings will remove. Bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.